my channel. My name is Lena for those who don't know me, and today I have another bag review for you guys. So the bag that I'm going to review today is the YSL Sunset Medium Crocodile Embossed Bag in shiny leather. And the color of this bag is called Rouge Arrows. The current price of this bag is $2,350, and the bag is made out of 100% calfskin leather, and it is embossed crocodile patterns for that extra chic look, and it makes the bag look very classy and expensive, which is very beautiful. And this bag is made in Italy, and it can be worn multiple ways. The first way it can be worn is as a crossbody bag when the strap is long like so. And the second way it can be worn is as a shoulder bag, like this. And the strap is adjustable, which is very cool. Like this. And this bag has a leather encased key ring, so you guys can put your keys on this thing right here. And it has the Saint Laurent logo on the key ring right here, and it says Saint Laurent Paris on it. And the color of the metal on this bag is silver for the straps, and the logo is also silver right here, YSL. So this bag is a flat bag, so when you open it, there's a magnetic clip right here. And when you look inside of the bag, you see there's a divider in the middle, and there are two pockets, one in the back right here and one in the front right here. And what's awesome about this bag is how there's a divider in the middle, so you can keep a lot of stuff in this pocket right here and also in this pocket in the front. And it helps you organize your things, so when you're at the grocery store or when you're shopping and you're in line to check out and you don't have to dig inside your bag to get your money out or whatever you need, you won't have to dig in here because you can organize your things very nicely in this bag. And when you close the bag, you can see there's another pocket, but this time it's in the back right here. This bag is perfect for daily wear, and if you're looking for a chic, classy, and stylish bag for your everyday life that will amp up your look, then this is the bag for you.